Hi, welcome back. In this lecture, we will restrict to place a dart only once. It's gonna be a simple change in our script place object on plane. Create a new variable is object placed as a boolean and make it false by default. Very often in programming, you will need a data type that can only have one or two values, like yes, no, on, off, true or false. For this, C# has a bool data type which can take the value true or false. A boolean type is declared with a bool keyword and can only take value true or false. The idea of using isObjectPlace to check is the dartboard is already placed or not. And in the update, add a check if not object is placed. We are enclosing the dartboard creation code inside this condition. Here we are checking is the object is already placed or not. For the first time we have isObjectPlaced is equal to false. Condition will be true and we will be inside. And later in the placeObject method we will make isObjectPlace is equal to true. And after that this condition will always be false. And we will not able to create a second dartboard. And in the placeObject method, make it isObjectPlace is equal to true and disable the placement indicator. Activates or deactivates the object, where true activates the game object and false deactivates the game object. Deactivating the game object disable each component including attached renders, colliders, rigid bodies and script. For example, Unity will no longer call the update method of a script attached to the deactivated game object. That's it to restrict the dartboard. Now it's time to create a build, and we are expecting in this build that we should only be able to create dartboard only once. Now let's try to tab again. Okay, I'm not able to instantiate more. That means our code is working. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next lecture.